Hi guys, what's up? Heraldo here. We are back again on our YouTube channel para mag-share sa inyo ng mga potential project dito sa Web3. Ayan, so itong project na to is none other than Niva. Okay, ito guys, project na to is napakaganda, no? Ang isa pa rin sa kagandahan nito, meron silang token na maaari natin bilhin para masuportahan natin sila at the same time pwede natin itong i-hold for a long term. Okay, so ang Niva guys is powering GameFi with Ethereum ZK Modular Layer 2. So meaning to say guys, Zero Knowledge Modular Layer 2. So Niva is a EBM equivalent ZK application network that provides scalability and security through Celestia DA and Polygon ZK EVM, transforming GameFi and streaming line DeFi. So dito guys sa kanilang official website makikita natin lahat ng dapat nating malaman tungkol sa kanilang project, no. So dito pa lang guys, no, sa transaction per second na kaya nilang gawin 50,000 mahigit na transaction per second. Tapos yung penalty nila is 500 ms. And yung gas fees nila dito is $0.0095 lang. Napakamura niyan. Okay, mukhang tatalunin pa nito ang BNB, no, pagdating sa gas fee. Okay, welcome to Niva, the Ethereum ZK Rollup Layer 2 network designed with the community at its core, emphasizing community involvement, developer-friendly features, and seamless user experience. So, ito guys, napakagandang project, very potential. So, para sa akin, isa ako sa susuporta sa project na to, no? High performance, user-friendly, EBM equivalent. So, ito yung description nila, maaari nyo basahin dito. Okay, so yan, streamline DeFi, simplifying DeFi, Niva streamlines DeFi, boosting Ethereum's scalability to usher in efficient ZK applications. Tapos yan, enhancing GameFi, alam naman natin, no, yung mga play to earn, syempre dito na papasok yan. Niva is purging a new GameFi paradigm center on integrating and developing GameFi apps. So ayos na ayos yan. Ito pa yung engaging community, powering users with governance and redefining entertainment through immersive GameFi experiences. So dito pa lang guys, nakikita na natin sa website nila yung potential ng project na to, no, yung pinapaliwanag nila tungkol dito sa kanilang project or kanilang website. So, scaling Ethereum, security, privacy, enhanced Niva token, governance, modular data availability. Every description is here on their website. Ayan, governance, speaking, no, the Niva governance system encompasses a broad range of decisions including strategic direction, grant management, and operational oversight. Each decision aims to create long-term value and ensure the network's robust growth. Niva token and holders play a central role in the decision-making process, ensuring their interests remain on top priority. So, yun guys, kapag meron tayong token nila, kasama tayo sa update at the same time guys, parang binibigyan din nila tayo ng power, no, para makapag-decide din doon sa kanilang mga ginagawa dito sa project nila. Okay, tokenomics guys, ayan, so nasa white paper, mamaya babalikan natin yan, roadmap nasa white paper din yan. Okay, so dito guys, nasa baba, what is Niva token? How can I access Niva mainnet? What are the utilities of Niva token? Can I stake my Niva tokens? Guys, yan, magkakaroon sila ng staking. Tapos, how can I buy Niva token? So, ituturo ko sa inyo yan dito mismo sa official website nila. Ayan, so punta tayo sa kanilang white paper guys when it comes to exchange listing. So, decentralized exchanges at saka centralized exchanges. As of now guys, pwede na tayong bumili ng Niva token nila using Uniswap. Okay, click lang natin tong Uniswap guys. Okay, so lagyan natin sa USDT. So 1 USDT as of making this video is equivalent to 33 Niva token. So ganyan pa siya kamura as of making this video. And yeah, when it comes to centralized exchanges naman, we can buy on Bitmart. So yun, napakaganda guys, bago pa lang yung project, on early stage, makikita natin na yung progress ng kanilang project na yung progressiveness nila, ang bilis guys, kapag move on agad sila. So yan, speaking of Niva token guys, as of making this video, ayan, refresh natin on CoinGecko, punta tayo sa Max, and yan, na-list yung token nila dito nung June 13, na-post na siya sa CoinGecko. So yan yung current value niya, 0.19, and as of making this video guys, 0.2933 na siya. Okay, so makikita nyo naman sa chart, no, na napakaganda nung develop nung project. Tapos yung market cap nila $1.8 million. Tapos yung kanilang 24-hour trading volume guys is $166,000. So yung total supply ng token nila is 100 million. Kapag mababa kasi yung supply ng token guys, mas nagiging mataas yung value ng token kapag yung project is maganda ang ginagawa at maganda yung kanilang development. So let's say guys, bibili tayo ng NIVA token nila. Lagyan natin sa PHP, no, per our Filipino people. Kapag bumili ka ng 100 pesos worth na NIVA, magkakaroon ka ng 58.1 NIVA token. So, napakamura pa niya as of making this video. Okay, sa Bitmart naman guys, ayan, ito yung proof na listed na po sila sa Bitmart. Okay, so ito yung token nila. Okay, sa Uniswap naman, napakita ko na ba sa inyo guys, no? Parang napakita ko na sa inyo sa Uniswap. Pwede na po tayong makipag-exchange, no? Or pwede na tayong bumili or swap ng NIVA token. Okay guys, let's go to official Twitter of NIVA. So, ito yung kanilang official Twitter guys, at NIVA Network. Meron silang verified badge. Okay, so 1,100 followers as of making this video. And yeah, super active sila sa Twitter. Dito sila nagpo-post ng kanilang mga update. Ayan, kakapost lang nila 1 hour ago. As you know, NIVA recently got its first CEX listing. Before buying, ensure you are in the right place. So, our team is crafting the best listing environment to meet liquidity and safety standards. So, yan guys, listed na nga sila sa Bitmart. Makikita natin dito, pinakita ko na to sa inyo kanina lang. Ayan, okay, so eto na yon. Balik tayo sa Twitter guys, and yeah, updated sila guys. Ito nga Bitmart, talagang meron na agad silang centralized exchanges partner. At yung Uniswap, okay na agad sila sa Uniswap. So, napakaganda. Ang bilis nung progress ng project guys. Okay, and yeah, sali kayo sa community ng NIVA guys. Ito yung kanilang Telegram, no? t.me/NIVA portal. Meron din silang parang chat channel dito. Hanapin natin. Ito yata. Okay yan. So, ito yung kanilang parang group. Okay, na pwede kayo mag-chat just in case meron kayong inquiries na gusto nyong masagot agad. Okay? So, yan guys, punta naman tayo sa kanilang white paper. Okay, ito yung kanilang white paper guys. Welcome to NIVA, let's build the future. Okay, so ano ba yung mga dapat natin ipakita sa inyo? What is NIVA? So, ito yung basic knowledge, no, and description about NIVA. High performance, user friendly, EVM equivalent, no? Ano ba EVM? Ethereum Virtual Machine. NIVA fillers guys, simplifying DeFi at saka yung enhancing GameFi, engaging community. Okay, zero knowledge. Ano ba yung ZK na tinatag or zero knowledge? So, ito po yung meaning niya. Tapos yung concept nandito na din po. Okay, ano pa ba? Data availability, concept, practical use. Napakadami kapag binasa pa natin lahat yan. Okay, simplify na lang natin lahat. So, Celestia, okay, by leveraging Celestia's data availability or DA capabilities, NIVA delivers an exceptional fast infrastructure at the fraction of expense associated with the monolithic layer 2. Yun. Kaya siya tinawag dito guys, official website na ZK Modular L2. Okay. Yun yung nasa Celestia. Okay, ZK EVM, eto na guys, yung meaning, the key role of zero knowledge Ethereum Virtual Machine. Yan yung tinatawag na ZK EVM. Okay, just in case na may makita kayong ganyang word or keywords. Okay, Polygon CDK. So, what is Polygon CDK? Nandito din, integrating Polygon CDK. Streamline DeFi. Ayan, transforming GameFi. Ayan, NIVA token. Okay, punta tayo sa NIVA token. Yung tokenomics, napaka-importante nito, no? Since available na yung token nila para makabili tayo. Max supplies lang niya is 100M. Para sa akin, mababa yan. Kapag mababa kasi yung supply, magiging malaki yung value in the future, no? Pero syempre, depende pa rin yun sa galaw ng project. So, ito guys, yung kanilang initial DEX liquidity, Uniswap on Ethereum, fair launch for 100M NIVA. 50% LP lock for 12 months guys, tapos 50% lock for 4 months, then transferred to mainnet for DEX and CEX liquidity. CEX and DEX liquidity guys, 20M NIVA. Foundation Treasury 20M, Community Staking Governance 15M, Team and Advisors 5M. Okay, so 3 months cliff period. Okay, so ito maganda, may cliff din no. Okay, tapos linear release over the following of 12 months. Contract address guys, ito yung official contract address, no? Just in case nami-miss out kayo, ito lang po yung contract address ng Niva. Makikita din natin yan dito sa CoinGecko. Okay, ito. Pareha sila guys. 0E54. Okay, ito 0E54. And punta tayo sa roadmap guys ng Niva. So ito Q2 Niva ERC20 token creation. Okay na to, check. Uniswap listing, check. First centralized exchanges listing, check. Marketing launch, check. Kaya Niva Apache B1 testnet officially launch. Parang di ko sure kung okay na to ha. Decentralized application partnership, marketing phase. I think nandito sila sa Q3 ngayon, okay? Ito yung Q3 nila. Tapos yung Q4 guys na ito na lahat. Ayan, token airdrop po, speaking, di ba? Ayan, so kaya nare-recommend ko sa inyo na bumili kayo ng Niva token kasi may possibility na yung mga holders na mabigyan ng airdrop dito pagdating ng Q4. More centralized exchanges listing, Niva GameFi platform launch on mainnet. Ito exciting guys, yung GameFi. Dito na papasok yung mga games, okay? Tapos first, decentralized application integration on mainnet, governance program rollout. So yun guys, I think hanggang dito na lang tayo, no? Kasi na-review na natin lahat. Ilalagay ko yung link in the video description below guys, official website, Bitmart, Uniswap, Twitter, Telegram, okay? So yan, lahat ng links ilalagay natin in the video description below. Kung may mga katanong ka sa video na to, comment down below, pag-uusapan natin yan. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you on the next one. Peace!